Press the Windows key plus R simultaneously to open the Run window. In the Run dialog box, type powercfg.cpl and then press Enter. This action will open the Power Options window. Next, locate the power plan that is currently active and click on the option that says Change Plan Settings. Following that, select the link for Change Advanced Power Settings. Within the Advanced Power Settings window, you will need to expand the Processor Power Management section. After expanding it, further expand the Maximum Processor State. Here, you will find settings for both the on battery and plugged-in states. Ensure that both of these are set to 100%. If they are not, adjust them accordingly. Once you have set both to 100%, click on Apply, then click on OK, and finally click on Save Changes to confirm your adjustments. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.